Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to work inventory turnover report in Odoo. This module helps us understand how efficiently our inventory is being used. It shows how fast products are selling, how long stocks stay in your warehouse, and which products are performing well. So let's see about that. You can see here module Dev Inventory Turnover Report. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to inventory app, go to reporting menu and see here this menu inventory turnover analysis. Select here start date to end date, companies, warehouse your company, location is stock, and also available here filter by product and category. Select here product like block, large cabinet, watch, keyboard, etc. And also available this option includes zero movement product. With iPhone exclude this. Now print in PDF format and see here your report in PDF format. Display here date, company name, warehouse, location and total selected product. Based on turnover, display here status, slow, date, normal and fast. If your turnover greater than 8, then display fast rate. Normal in display 4 to 8, slow in display 1 to 4 and date in display less than 1. Display here your product, category, warehouse your company, total open quantity with value, close quantity with value, average value, sold quantity, COGS and total turnover. Total turnover display based on average value and COGS value. And also display here DIO. It means days inventory outstanding. Now I want to print in Excel format. So your printed report in Excel format. Same display here. Companies, warehouse, location and selected product. Display here classification and products or details with status. Now I want to view this and display here your selected product. Available here group by product, category wise, warehouse, company wise and stock status. And also available here by what view. So using this our app you can easily manage automatically stock by items as a fast, normal, slow or dead stock based on movement history. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.